Hi students, today we are going to learn about formatting blocks of information. In this topic we are going to learn about classes, div tag and span tag. Classes. For defining a set of styles we use a class. A class is a definition of set of styles which can be applied as we choose. For defining style rules, based on a class attribute of the HTML elements. All these elements have the class will be formatted according to the defined rule. How we select the class? Using a class attribute. The dot class selector element select elements with a specific class attribute. To select elements with a specific class, write a period character followed by the name of the class. For this, see the syntax. Period character followed by name of the class dot class. In the example, dot our class name is myStyle. And the CSS declarations are, in a previous class we learned about the properties and values. Color property with a value red and text alignment property with value center. This rule sets the content in red color and center aligned for each element with the class attribute set to myStyle in our document. myStyle is our class name. How we represent it? With a period character followed by myStyle. If I want to specify only with a specific HTML element, then the syntax is like this. If you also specify that only one specific HTML element should be affected by a class, to do this, start with the element name, then write period character followed by the name of the class. Our specific element is element dot followed by class. Example is p dot our style. P is our specific element. Our style is a class. With the following declarations like color blue, text alignment right. This rule sets the contents in blue color and right align for only paragraph elements with the class attribute set to our style in our document. Let's see the example for this. Our class name is myStyle with the following properties: color with value red and the text align center. This is our class. H1, our class name is myStyle. This is the output for this class. How we have to write our class period followed by class name with set of CSS declarations. If I want to specify a specific HTML element, then specify the element dot our class name. Here our specific element is paragraph. Whatever the style I want to apply, it will apply for only p tag. Class name is or style. Yes. This is about classes. And the next topic is divisions. If we want to use HTML elements as a container, then we use a div tag. This div tag is used for defining a section of your document. Div element has no required attributes, but both style and class are used. For grouping large sections of HTML elements together and format them with CSS, we can use div tag. Let's see the example for this div tag. Div doesn't require any attributes. It uses class and style. Let's see with class. Tag that is used for divisions is div tag, and it uses class equals to my style This is the output of our div tag program. Here in this div I am accessing class. The class name is my style with the background color tomato and color with white. Text element is center. I'm removing this. Yes. In this div tag I have taken first group with a list of courses, that is with BCom General Computer Applications and BSc. Similarly, we can use style also for that. Style equal style equals to color yes. Okay. Here in this div tag I have taken style color with blue. You can use div tag for both classes and style. This is about div tag. This is the example program we have seen. Next one is spans. Span tag is an inline container used to mark up a part of a text or a part of a document. If we want to style a part of a document or a particular text, then we use span tag. This span tag is easily styled by CSS or manipulated with JavaScript using the class or ID attribute. Span is much like div. but div is block level element and span is inline element. This is the syntax for span. Span, class name, style property and value. Here I have taken a span style color red, and this style with color green will appear in green. The content with the span tag will appear, whereas the red here appears as red, and green will appear in green color. Let's run this program. Okay, this is red, this is green. Here span tag is applying inline style. If we want to access this span with a class, then we can write like this. We'll see the next program, that is with the class, span with class. Okay. Here I have taken class font and the font size is 80. Color is blue. In the span tag I have taken class and the content will appear with the following class style, that is with font size 80 and color blue. Yes. Change the color as green. Yes. This is about span tag, span with the class and style. These are the differences between div tag and span tag. Divisions uses div tag and spans use span tag. HTML div is a block element, whereas span is an inline element. Div element is used to wrap large sections of elements. Span elements are used to wrap small portions of text and images. Summary. A class is a definition of set of styles. Div tag is used for defining a section of your document. Span is an inline element and it is used to group inline elements in HTML document.